Good evening, everyone. Hope you are having a great Saturday. Today, the live is all about love. I'm Sana Farzeen from Indian Express Entertainment, and today we'll be talking about love because we have a real life couple joining us for a live session, and they are one of the hottest couple, if I have to say, on television and of course now on the web space. And interestingly, they have shot the entire show during lockdown at their home. So we are going to talk a lot about their shooting experience, and yes, we are talking about Barkha Sengupta and Indranil Sengupta, one of the most amazing couples that we have, real life couple who will be seen romancing on screen also once again after a long time. So we're just waiting for them to join in, and we'll talk a lot about their show that is streaming on Hoichoi. It's called Love and Affairs, and it's all about relationships, and who better than them to have their play the characters. And of course we'll talk about more about love and their relationship and how they've grown together because they've been married for a long time now. Hello everyone, we're just waiting for Barkha to join so that we can have a fun chat with them. Till then, you all can tell me how's been your Saturday. How are you guys enjoying your weekend? Hello everyone. Yes, so their show, Indranil and Barkha's show, is called Where is Zain? We had Zain's live yesterday, as you all know. So Indranil and Barkha are starring in Hoichoi's web series. It's called Love and Affairs. It is about a couple, about their relationship, and the best part it has been shot during lockdown at their home. They've worked together, and it's going to be an interesting thing to talk about with them. So we are just waiting for Barkha to come in. Just waiting. Hey everyone, hello. Okay. Yes, it's interesting. I mean, in lockdown, thank you, Anu. Thank you, Sharayu Sanjay. Yes, I know this lockdown we've been doing a lot of things, but to actually go ahead and make a show during lockdown, that's a great thing. And we are so excited to actually talk to Barkha and Indranil about the same. And we're just waiting for them to come in so that we can have a chat. Chiranjeev, this is not a chat with you guys, it's a chat more about Barkha and Indranil. So we'll wait for them and we'll talk to them about their show. We are just waiting. When is you and Zen going to come live again? We just went live yesterday, as you all know. So yes, you can watch the live. It's already saved in the Instagram page of Indian Express Entertainment. Do watch it, Sanjay. We'll just wait for a while. Yes. Hello to everyone who are joining. We're just waiting for Barkha to come in. Sent her a request. We're just waiting for them to come in. Hey Barkha.
Hi.
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 Hi, how are you guys doing?
Very
We are
good.
all
How are
good.
you?
Thank you. Just a second.
Yes, sure.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, so the show is already live. I mean, how excited are you about Love and Affairs?
We're very excited. Yeah, very excited. For various reasons. Because I think Intronil and I are back on screen
Yes,
after a really long time. So that's something we're really looking forward to. And
mm-hmm.
also, I think the exciting thing is because we shot this during the lockdown.
Right.
So, and that's like the most exciting part because we've we've shot it in our house, so it's our house that you're seeing in the series. And yeah, we were like what, 4 people who have shot this together, and so we're pretty happy with the results.
Right.
Let's hope the people like it.
So, what was your first reaction when Hoichoi came to you that this is what they have in mind to actually shoot a show during lockdown at your home? What was the initial feedback that you guys had?
Well, the first reaction obviously was, are we going to be able to do it?
Right.
Because, we as actors have always just stood in front of the camera and done our bit. But here we had to take care of a lot of other things as well. So that was the first reaction. And the second reaction was, why not?
Right.
Let's just do it. Yeah.
Amazing. And Indranil, of course, has done a lot of Bengali projects, but Barkha, we'll be seeing you mouthing Bengali dialogues. I mean, how challenging or fun it was for you.
I think she has done a wonderful job, because she has done a few Bengali projects in the past, but this is one of the most verbose role of hers, where she had so many dialogues, and they were really difficult and very fast paced also. So I think
Right.
she managed really, really well, and I'm telling you, with minimal help. I have tried
Wow.
to, but she was very, very good.
Right, right. So tell us, what is Love and Affairs all about? Tell us something about the characters that you guys are playing.
Well, without giving too much away, because we really want people to see it, and as the trailer would suggest, that of course, there are a lot of twists to it. But yes, it is a love story, and it is love and affairs, as in when you don't take affairs literally, but the affairs that come along with
Right,
love. It's about that. So it's about a couple who are really in love with each other. But of course, there is a gray area in the show as well, which is what everybody has to see and find out. But yeah, that's what it is. It's about
right,
a seemingly happy couple. A lot of times we see couples and we think, oh, they're so happy and everything is perfect. It's picture perfect. Couple goals, all of that, but that's not what the truth really is. So
right.
that's what it's about.
And then Ronil, we've seen you shooting Barkha pictures. Of course, those are amazing pictures. But did you help right now in shooting? I mean, what was the entire experience? Were you playing the director here?
No, because we had a couple of people,
Right.
Dharam and Pooja, who were doing the camera and the on-set direction. So
Mm-hmm.
that was a saving grace. So we got saved from that part. But yes,
Right.
of course, we had our inputs. Barkha had her inputs.
I have a lot of inputs always. I'm like, नहीं ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करो ये ऐसे नहीं ऐसे बोलो. So I'm like a typical wife. I think I was typical wife. Shooting also like a typical wife. But
Yeah, I'm like the typical husband who is just obedient.
Listening.
oh no, he's not obedient at all. Excuse me.
But what do you guys feel? I mean, this could become a new normal, as we are seeing that you can actually make projects out of your home in just few people around.
Uh, as it's easy to say that yeah, we shot this during lockdown and we managed to do it, but I don't really think this can be the new normal. I think it is normal as of now because the situation outside is not normal, but I don't think this can be a way of life, because when you're shooting, when you're creating content, it requires a lot more than what we have done.
Right.
So we've done it, and I think we've done a above decent job of it. But I do know that it could have been notches higher if it had
Right.
been shot under normal circumstances. So you can't take that away. You can't take away the credit of all the other technicians who add so much to any content
Right.
that you're shooting. So no, I don't think this will be the new normal. So,
Right.
yeah.
But how was it actually, the experience of facing the camera again after such a long time since lockdown? We've been all caught up in home.
Yeah, it was nice actually. We had started believing, just actually forgetting that we are actors.
Yeah, I've become like total calm wali bai, just cooking and cleaning, taking care of my child, my husband, and I was like, oh, I'm also an actor. So yeah,
It was a very welcome change that we finally did
Right.
something, thought for
Right.
something, and it
yeah.
reminded us that we are actors. That is our primary job, and not cleaning utensils and doing jhadu pocha.
And talking about acting, of course, you guys like shared screen space after a long time. How much did you all see the change in each other as actors? How much do you think you both have grown as actors?
Wow. I think there's been a sea of a difference in us as actors since we last shot with each other. I have become a very irritating co-star, and I will agree on Instagram right now. I'm very irritating as a co-star.
Because I'll tell you, because she has evolved as an actor much lot more. Like when we started off when we were younger, now she's very evolved. She is very nuanced as an actor. She's technically more sound as an actor, and she's also very involved in the process of making something. So that's why she has a bits to give. She has her chasing perfection. So that's why she's a little irritating, because initially she used to just do it, but now she wants to get it right. She wants others to get it right. So
he's just being very nice about it. He was very irritated with me throughout the shoot. I'm telling you, if he could kill me, he would have.
No, because I just different people have different ways of approaching work. She gets more involved. I don't get as much involved in everything about the process.
It's just that because we were shooting in our house and we were like I said, 4 people who have put this together. I had to get involved in a lot of things, be it partly direction, or how we think a scene should be, from framing ki picture mein, like frame mein kya acha lag raha hai, ek baaz teda hai, cushion theek nahi lag raha hai, so doing art direction, kind of trying to figure out choreographing a scene, with the director on set. So all of that, I think it required so much involvement, and I, like you said, I get very involved in things that
And I also think she's a little, I mean, in future, I don't know, but I think she has a directorial thing in her, which I don't. So when I act, I just act. I don't even check the monitor as to how it is looking. I don't care about how I am looking. I just do it in the scene. So she takes care of everything. She goes and checks the monitor कि नहीं frame ठीक नहीं है. You are the way you are expressing, the way I am expressing, the face which is not looking nice, and this line is not said properly. So she gets into all the nitty-gritties. So that's why me, who doesn't want to get involved, I get a little
basically I'm irritating is what he's trying to say.
In nice words, yeah. But tell me, I mean, what do you have to say about the web?
Sorry, one of my friends.
Yeah, please. There are so many of people just saying hi and love smileys to you guys. Yeah,
lots of people on. Abhishek, hi Abhishek.
Good to see you folks. Yeah. So tell me, what do you have to say about the web space, since it's a web series? I mean, right now in lockdown with theaters not there, I mean, it has become bigger than what it was. I mean, what do you anticipate how it's going to change things?
I think that is a new normal. Web is a new normal. I think till before the lockdown, web was like this exclusive space, where of course films were like the biggest thing, and then there was this huge television space. I think web is the new normal now, because in the lockdown specifically, I think everyone has been viewing a lot of content, on their phones, on their TVs and stuff. So I think post lockdown, I think the web space is going to become more normal, like more, more everywhere. I think so. Yeah, that's what I think about it. And I think it's a great platform which kind of merges the creative content between television and films. Television is a certain content, film is a certain content. The web kind of merges the two, I think, and creates something which I think is beautiful. And really looking forward to doing a lot of stuff on the web.
And also, I feel that web is a platform for varied kinds of content. And so the audience has the option of watching what they want to watch. That's a great thing. And yes, it is the order of the day. It's not because of the lockdown. It had already taken over, but because of the lockdown, so now it is the only thing.
Right. And in Brunel, especially since you worked in language cinema and Bengali projects, I mean, of course, we're seeing great content, which is doing a lot of original content. But do you see Bengali web series coming out in such a big scale like the ones we have right now when it comes to Hindi? Because we've seen Netflix and Amazon launching a lot of Hindi big shows. Do you see that happening on the Bengali industry also?
Yes, of course. I mean, big scale. You are talking about the scale going really big. Yes, of course. I think everyone is going to get into the web space. All the big makers are going to get into the web space. Actors are dying to get into the web space. I'm an actor, I know. I want to do more work on web space because it's beautiful, the kind of work that is
Right.
being done.
You know, especially I think some of the shows that we are seeing on Hoi Chui, our show,
Mm-hmm.
Gossip Chui too. You know, so when you see some of the content that Hoi Chui has,
Right.
yeah, I think it is commendable, and I think that's the kind of content that should actually come onto national platforms as well. You know,
Right.
of course, you know, platforms like Netflix and Amazon are taking a lot of Bengali content on their platforms as
Yeah.
well. But you know, I wouldn't be surprised if Netflix or an Amazon, you know, come out with an original series which is Bengali, because the content that you know, the Bengalis have, I think it's great. They have such
Right.
beautiful concepts and amazing talent too. I mean,
Right.
I think every person I've met in Kolkata is so talented. They all can act, they can all sing, they can all dance, they all write
They play
poetry,
instruments.
they play
I'm from
instruments.
Kolkata too, so just
Yeah, so you would know
thing.
everyone. Mane, you know, you do adda with them, and somebody's
Yes.
singing, someone's playing the guitar, somebody's reciting poetry, and you're like, oh my god, you know. So yeah, I think definitely it requires a bigger platform, you know, for the
Right.
talent to be exposed. So yeah.
And Barkha, how many people have told you that you actually look like a Bengali?
I have got that since a very long time. Since I think when I was in college, tab se, because you know I am dusky, and
Yeah,
even though I
and those
have
eyes.
Bengali
Yeah.
eyes, I wish I had eyes like
Yes.
a Bengali. But yes, I get that all the time. That are you a Bengali? And you know, till today, you know, now that I'm married to a Bengali, and my name
Right.
is of course now Barkha Sengupta, so now that
Mm-hmm.
everybody assumes ki, she's a Bengali. I tell them that no, I've married a Bengali, but I'm not a Bengali. So yeah.
Right. But Indranil, was that also a factor that got you attracted to her, that she looked Bengali?
No, not really, not really. I was just attracted to the person. I didn't care where is she from,
You're
what.
not attracted to me, my face.
No, the person is with the face. No, the face, the body,
Please
everything.
lightly love my face.
So yeah, so I was attracted to her. It didn't matter.
Right.
Bengali.
Uh, I think when you dress up in Indian outfits, you look
In
much
a
more
sari,
Yes.
Bengali.
yeah.
Yeah,
Sari.
sari, of course.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
true.
Yeah.
But tell me about marriage. I mean, adapting each other's culture. How interesting or challenging was it to actually get to know about each other's culture background and then adapting to it? How
He
fun it
knows
was.
about my culture, I can tell you that. He knows nothing.
I know
But
nothing about my culture.
no, that's not true. You know a lot about your culture. But I think it's been more of me adapting to his culture than him adapting to mine. And you know that I think that's how it is, you
No,
know.
but I think we both are extremely cosmopolitan. So this adapting to
Yeah.
the
Yes.
culture has not been that extreme. A little bit, but
Mm-hmm.
not that extreme.
Yeah, it's not like he or his family has ever insisted, you know, that I dress up in a certain way or whatever.
Right.
But you know, just as a thing, because I'm married to a Bengali and my daughter is a Bengali, so you know, like basic things like Durga Pujo, we will go every year.
Yes.
Durga Pujo. So we will go every year, attend, go to the pandals, do that, because I just want my daughter to grow up knowing that okay, she's a Bengali, these are the Bengali festivals,
Right.
you know. So yeah, so we kind of do that, but yeah, there's never been any pressure on me from
Mm-hmm.
his family, you know, to be a certain way.
Right.
But it's like my own interest, you know. That
Amazing.
yeah. So.
What about food? How many Bengali cuisines can you actually cook?
So I don't do anything Bengali because my mother-in-law is the most amazing cook, and she lives right like in the same building as us.
Okay,
So
amazing.
yeah, so anytime Bengali khana we want to eat, it is Ma's you know, cooking. So I
Right.
don't get into that at all. I just tell Ma that, you know, today make this or make that. So
Amazing.
yeah, so that ways. But I do a lot of cooking otherwise.
Yeah,
like
she does.
I'm a pretty decent cook. So yeah.
In
Right.
terms of adapting to the culture, I mean, she's essentially a vegetarian. She eats non-vegetarian,
Okay.
but she's essentially vegetarian. But after being married to me, I think she eats a little more non-vegetarian than she would have
Yeah.
if she was not married to me. So yeah, that's
Right.
the
Somebody just mentioned Pyar Ke Do Naam Ek Radha Ek Sham, and they
Oh,
just
yeah.
loved it.
Sumit Kosha Mangsho. Yes, Sumit Kosha Mangsho is one of my favorite dishes.
And since we spoke about how you guys have grown as actors, but about how as a person, I mean, when you guys met for the first time, what has remained the same and what has changed between you guys?
my God. I think he has remained exactly the same.
Okay.
He's like a dinosaur. He does not change. He's ancient. I'm telling you, it's been 12 years, almost 13 now. He's as ancient as it can get. I think, changed completely as a person. So,
Right.
I don't know anything that has stayed in me, which
I think
was there.
principally we are still the same people with the same set of values as we had started
Mm-hmm.
off. I think that has not changed. That is most important, because
Right.
in life you progress and you change accordingly. But if your value system remains the same, your beliefs remain the same. That's all. I think that has not changed about her also, and I like that.
From what we see on Instagram or the way you guys are, I mean, there's a lot of similarities when it comes to you guys. I mean, nature wise or the personality wise. I mean, does that help to be similar kind of people having
Oh my
similar?
God, we are not similar kind of people at all. Like at all. We are like this.
Okay.
North and South Pole completely. But that I think helps. The fact that we're such different people.
Right.
I think we bring a lot of interesting things from our characteristics into the relationship.
Irritating also.
Right.
Yeah, like he brings a boredom, into the relationship. It's very boring, and I'm like this excited. Let's go out. Let's meet people. Let's do this. Let's do that kind of a person. But I think we kind of bring,
Balance.
a lot of
Yeah.
balance into the relationship. But we are completely different people. Completely.
Right. We'll just take a couple of fan questions. Somebody asked, "What is your dream project, Barkha ma'am?"
My dream project. Wow. My dream project. That's a very tough thing to say now. I mean, after all these years, but I think anything which is very performance oriented,
Right.
I think I would love to do it. In which I think where the heroine is not just playing like a damsel in distress, but actually something to do. I think that's something I would love to do.
Right. Somebody said you guys are the most down to earth people that they've ever seen.
Down to earth. Down to earth. Wow, that's really sweet. I mean,
Thank you.
we probably come across, but I'm very snooty. Let me tell you. No. I think, I think that's one of the things, that has kept us grounded. I think is the fact that we choose to stay humble no matter what.
Right, right. And in England, of course, when actors kind of move to films, they leave behind television. But you always balanced every medium. You've done good roles when it came your way, even if it was a small role. What gave you that confidence to actually be there in all mediums, even in smaller parts?
Yeah, I do whatever I feel is good for me. So I am chase a certain kind of
Medium.
medium or
Right.
image, or I do not have certain position in the industry where I want to
Mhm.
reach. It's not like that. So
Right,
I do what I like. So if any role is offered to me, whatever medium, if I like it, even language, I have done Marathi films, I have done
right.
Telugu films. So yeah, I think it should make you happy to do the job. Any medium,
Right.
any language is great. So yeah.
Amazing. Right. What about you, Barkha? What are you kind of looking forward to doing next?
Like I said, I really want to do a lot of. I want to do a lot more in the web space now. I'm essentially a television person. I have done
Right.
television like throughout, and I love it. I love television. I
Yes.
love the daily soap, the Saas Bahu sagas, and a lot of the audience in India loves it too. So I'm
Mm-hmm.
happy doing that. But like I said, I really want to explore the web space for no other reason, but for the fact that it has such a varied content. Which
Yeah.
does not offer. Television will give you, a bracket that okay, these are the kind of roles that you will do. It
Right.
doesn't vary too much. So that's something I think I'm willing to explore now, and I'm really hoping to do more stuff on the web space.
Amazing. A lot of people have already watched your show. Somebody just watched it in 2 hours and they just loved it.
Yeah,
Why did it take 2 hours? It's 15 minutes,
about
1 hour,
us.
15 minutes.
Right, right. And tell me, you guys are such fitness freak. Was it always there, or you kind of developed an interest towards fitness recently? What is about fitness that keeps you guys going? It's so inspiring to see your Instagram posts, both of you.
Well, I think primarily developed my fitness because of him. He, like I said, is a dinosaur, so his fitness has been since the ancient ages,
Prehistoric times.
prehistoric times. He has been into
Right.
forever. And I've said this on earlier interviews that when we went on a honeymoon, the only thing he told me, he said, we will do whatever you want to do, but just let me work out every day. So, for me, it's like when you're on a holiday, you don't want to work out. You
Yeah,
want to
it's
wake up
chill.
late. So his only request was that please just let me work out every day. So he's that crazy about fitness, and I think I have become a fitness freak because of him.
Amazing. And you, Indralil, you were always that interested about fitness?
Yes, I was. Much before I got into this profession. I was always interested in the fitness.
Right.
So yeah.
Amazing. And I have few fun questions. You have to tell me who among you both are basically. So who is a better actor according to you guys?
No,
Yeah, no.
I think we both are at par.
No, I think
Okay.
better. Little better.
Thank you so much. That's a good vibe.
And who is a better parent?
She's a better parent.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah.
Who cooks better?
Cooks better.
Cooks better or who cooks?
Cooks only
He doesn't
she
know
cooks.
how to cook. So I win hands down.
Yeah.
Who is fitter?
Who is fitter?
Yeah.
Please,
I think she is
I have to take that credit.
genetically gifted more than I am.
That's not true. I work out really hard also. But I would take the credit because I'm also a mother and I'm still so fit.
Yeah. That's
Right.
right. Although I am a
And
father too, but
and still you're
I get the credit. I'm fitter.
and who takes more time to get ready?
To get ready.
none
Yeah.
of us.
Of us,
None of
actually.
us.
We both get ready
Wow.
really fast.
Such
But
great actors you are.
more commendable in her case because women do really take a lot of time. She gets very
Yeah.
ready.
Amazing. Who fights more? Or who basically fights?
I'm a fighter cock. I can fight on everything and anything.
Wow. But who says who first apologizes or says sorry?
Me,
Really?
yeah, even sometimes I don't even know why I'm saying sorry, but I say sorry.
Yeah.
True or
You
not?
just got
It's so irritating because he doesn't know why he's saying sorry, but he'll just say sorry. Out of habit, he gets sorry बोल देता हूँ.
बात खत्म करो यार.
हाँ,
right. Who's a better driver?
She's a better driver.
definitely.
Wow. And who's better with directions?
With direction,
You,
me.
she's better.
I'm better at so many things.
Yeah.
Who calls the other person more number of times when you are not together? Who calls? Yeah.
Two, I think, yeah.
It's irritating. He will call me, now I have woken up, now I'm having coffee, now I'm going for a bath, now I have come out of my bath, now I'm wearing my clothes, like everything. Calling, messaging all the time. I'm like, I don't want to know.
Amazing. Who's a shopaholic?
She's
Who's a shopaholic?
Yeah.
Me. But I have to tell you, I don't shop for myself. I shop for like mostly my house, my daughter.
Right.
Like, second day there is a parcel coming because I do a lot of online shopping. So every second day there is a parcel coming from somewhere because I have
You
shopped.
can imagine the pain I'm going through right now because of the lockdown. I have to go to the gate to get the parcel.
Yes. And then sanitize and stuff.
Yeah, all of that.
Right. Lastly, who loves the other more?
Who loves the other more?
Yeah.
I think he loves me more.
No, I think she loves. I think that's a very difficult one.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's difficult.
Well, yeah.
Right. And we're getting a lot of comments for Meera. I wanted to ask you, I mean, the kind of upbringing you guys have, I mean, what are values you want Meera to have and what kind of upbringing do you guys want to give to her?
Wow. That is such a difficult question because I think almost every day there is something new that we are realizing about parenting or getting to know about parenting,
Right.
or thinking ki, Achha, this is how we should also do it or not do it. So it's really, really difficult. But I think at the core of it all, and I think I would speak for Neil too, is what we really want is to just have a child who grows up to be extremely confident and very complete and very sufficient within herself, and considering, times nowadays,
Yeah.
I would really want her, I mean, both of us would really want her to just be this person who's very self-sufficient, who does not need validation from other people or other things or other situations, and who's just a very self-sufficient and, independent person.
Right.
So, yeah. And of course,
So,
he wants her to go to NASA.
wow.
Bengali, so he wants her to be like this intelligent girl and whatever. But yeah.
But is she interested in NASA?
Well,
No, not at all. Right now, I mean,
yeah, right now, not
right
at
now,
all.
no, yeah.
Right. And tell us one thing that you love, hate, and tolerate about each other.
Love, hate, and tolerate.
Tolerate about, yeah.
Oh my God.
I think she tolerates me. And hates me.
What? That's
And
true.
loves
And
me.
loves you too.
Love, hate, tolerate everything. Him
Is the
actually.
person.
Right. No, but what do I love about him? I think the one thing that I keep joking about and keep saying he's ancient and whatever, but I think I love the fact that he is so rock solid within. I think his
Right.
stability as a person is so rock solid, nothing shakes him, like nothing. And I think that's like, a huge support for me, because
Mhm.
I'm a very, emotional person. My emotions are from here to here, like within seconds. So to have somebody who is so stable and so rock solid,
Right.
somebody who you can depend on no matter what, I think that's one thing that I love about him. And what do I hate about him? Uh,
Many. What all?
what all do I hate about him? No, I think one thing that I hate about him is um, I think he tends to not want to work hard on certain things, which I hate about him. Something which he doesn't like. He doesn't want to work hard on it. He wants to just kind of give up. Ki nahi, not happening. Like be it dancing or he's very technologically challenged. Till today, he will keep asking me things. अच्छा ये कैसे करते हैं, वो कैसे करते हैं. So those are things that he's not wanting to learn, and I hate that about him, because I feel that why don't you want to just grow as a person and just learn these things? So I hate that about him. And what do I tolerate? I tolerate almost everything about him. Like, yeah, he has this really irritating thing of, waking up early in the morning,
Right.
eating on time, sleeping on time, working out on time. Oh my God, you just have to tolerate and say, okay, just tolerate it. Can't change it, so tolerate it.
That's
Yeah.
so sweet. Indranil, your turn.
I love the fact that she's academically weaker than me. Yeah, because that's the only thing I'm good at. So that's where I am one up. Okay, so I like it when Meera comes and asks me some questions and I have the answer and she is like clueless. I love that fact that okay, थोड़ी सी dumb है, चलो अच्छा है. Because everything else she's so good at. Like she's extremely efficient in everything. She's much more street smart than I am.
Mhm.
Technologically, she's way ahead of me. She's very good with people compared to me. In terms of handling and managing our profession, she's way better than me. So everywhere I'm lagging behind. I need her help for everything. When a contract comes, I talk to her. Please read no and tell me whether I should, what changes I should suggest. When they ask me what is your quote, I ask her that what should I quote. So yeah, so all these things I'm dependent on her. So I love the fact that she is not so good with studies. So yeah, so I can show off.
Yeah, that's.
What I do not I do.
Thanks for telling the whole world.
Yeah, that's all right. Yeah. She knows Prime Minister is Narendra Modi though. Yeah.
और कुछ मत पूछना.
I won't get into the president. Okay. So yeah, another thing is I think hate is a very strong word, but I
Yeah.
dislike the fact that as she said that she's extremely sensitive as a person. So she has these moods, which
Okay.
which I have to adjust to, and I find it quite a task. And sometimes there are things which happen, or I say, or I do, which do not have the meaning which she interprets it to be, because she's sensitive. So that
Right.
time you have to handle it. So I dislike that. That's too much of pressure for me to handle. And tolerate.
I think you're tolerating I'm very irritated all the time. You tolerate that.
I tolerate the fact that because that's a problem with her, because she is so good at a lot of things. She also expects other to be as good, not only me but everyone else. Like she would want the maid to behave in a certain way, she would want the driver to behave in a certain way, she would want people on the road to behave in a certain way, and that's why she's always irritated because they're not behaving in that way. So I have to, like, she'll keep going on and on and on. I'm like, acha, theek hai, okay. So yeah,
Amazing. Amazing. That was such a great time with you guys. But before we go, we want you guys to give us 5 reasons to watch Love and Affairs. All your fans are hearing. Just tell them why should they spend an hour with your show.
Wow.
one foremost reason I think is that we both are together in it.
Of course.
Yeah.
After a very long time.
Fans get to see us together after a really long time. That is one.
And you get a free trip tour of our house.
Yes, you get to see our house. Absolutely. Every corner of our house is there in that.
Yeah.
So you know where Barkha and Indranil live. No, but yeah, of course, the fact that we're together after a long time on screen, I think it is a very nice story and very relevant in today's times because, you know, I think social media specifically, people portray themselves to be, you know, all happy and everything is fine. But that's not always the truth. So, you know, it's very relevant. Our story is very relevant in today's time. So that's why you should watch it. Third, I think a lot of effort has gone into it because it was shot during the lockdown. It was shot with a very small team of people. So I think that's one reason I think that should interest people at how did they shoot this, you know. So I think that's one of the things.
And I mean, it might not be your fifth reason, but I think I like the story. I like the concept.
I said the story, yeah.
The concept.
Yeah, that is very relevant in today's times.
And the twist in the story, the suspense in the story, I really think that's a novelty. I mean, you don't really get to see a story like that. That I liked.
Yeah.
Amazing. Great. But before that, Barkha, we have to hear your Bengali. I mean, a couple of lines in Bengali so that we are convinced that we'll have to watch the show.
Oh, God. What do I say?
You can say a couple of lines if you know. That would be a better thing.
Dialogue बोल दो ना जो याद.
Oh shit! God, if you suddenly ask me like that, I find it very difficult.
আচ্ছা আমি তোমাকে বাংলায় জিজ্ঞেস করব আজকে আমাদের বাড়িতে ডিনার তো মা বাবা আসছে তো
হ্যাঁ
কি রান্না করেছো তুমি খালি ওয়ার্ডটা বলবে না তুমি পুরো সেন্টেন্সটা বলবে কি রান্না করেছো
আজকে আমি বিরিয়ানি রান্না করছিলাম বিরিয়ানি রান্না করছিলাম আর
হয়ে গেছে তো রেডি হয়ে গেছে
হয়ে গেছে আর প্রথমবার আমি বিরিয়ানি মানে চেষ্টা করেছি রান্না করার চেষ্টা করেছি প্রথমবার সো আমি মানে
ডিম দিয়েছো বিরিয়ানি
হ্যাঁ ডিম ডেফিনেটলি বাঙালি সো
আলু
বিরিয়ানি উইদাউট ডিম ইন ইট ডিম দিয়েছি আর কি বাস that's enough.
That was amazing, Barkha and Indranil. Thank you so much for your time. We are really looking forward to see the live.
Yes, there's our daughter.
Yes, hi Meera.
Meera, she's saying hi to you. You can come here and sit here.
Hi.
Hi. We are excited to watch your parents' web show. Did you manage to watch your parents on screen?
Watch the show? She's asking. No, she hasn't seen it.
Yes. It's on our wish list for Sunday, so we're going to watch it. I hope you guys enjoy too and do enjoy the biryani in dinner. Thank you so much for your time. And it was lovely chatting with you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. That was Barkha and Indranil talking about their web series Love and Affairs that is streaming on Hoichoi. Do watch it and let us know what did you find interesting about, how did you find it. Till then, also follow Indian Express entertainment page for all the latest updates from TV, web and of course Bollywood. Thank you. This is Sana Farzeen logging out.